If you don't know who Oppo is one of the big Chinese giants who's trying to take over the market all over Southeast Asia as well as the world. Oppo is one of the big players in the smartphone game right now. So if they come up with products, and if you remember, they came out with the Find X, which is a truly all-display phone with a moving camera, then you are going to know that products from Oppo is something that you can look at and seriously consider when you want to get a phone. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Tech Dip, the show where you get more dip for your tech. Today we are going to unbox the Oppo F9. The real killer of this phone is the notch. Yes, that's right, it's the notch. This time around, you're gonna get a very special notch. A teardrop shaped notch that is gonna make this phone look so beautiful. That is why you're gonna want to get this phone apart from the color itself. We're gonna take some time, we're gonna unbox this phone together, and we're gonna see what's up inside the box. If you look at the box here, it says 35,000 milliamp battery. We have a dual camera, a 25 megapixel AI beauty selfie, that's a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and 6.3 FHD LCD display. And it has a water drop screen. Oppo, like most of the Chinese manufacturers, I'm guessing we're gonna get, yes, we are going to get a case with this phone. It comes with a phone and a quick start guide, a case, and here we have the phone. See what's in the box. It's not a USB-C charger, but it's a micro USB charger. That's a fast charger right there. Micro USB for the charging of the phone. With the phone, you get a headphone. I'm guessing we have, yes, we do. We do have a headphone jack, and that's it. That's all that's in the box. Alright. This phone comes in 3 variants. The Sunrise Red, the Starry Purple, and what we have right here is the Twilight Blue. This phone comes with a Gorilla 6 screen. It's the first phone ever to use a Gorilla 6. Usually you'll find a Gorilla 5 on the phone. So this is a Gorilla Glass 6 from Corning. There's already a tempered glass installed on the screen. Let's power up this phone. After setting up this phone, you can see the Color OS. That's what Oppo uses on all of its Android devices. It's a pretty heavy skin on top of stock Android. We have talked about the killer feature on this phone. It's that teardrop notch right there. You can see it's one of the smallest notch. If you remember the Essential phone, this looks way better than any notch on any notched phone out there in 2018. On the left side of the phone, you will find the power button. On the right side of the phone, you will find the volume rocker. The teardrop notch houses a 25 megapixel selfie cam. That's 25 megapixel for your selfies. It's typical of these Chinese manufacturers to put their best camera as a selfie cam because that's how important selfies are in Asia. At the back, we will find a dual camera. It will house the primary camera, which is a 16 megapixel shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera so that you can do your portrait modes and the bokeh effect that you like so much. This phone comes with a MediaTek processor. This beautiful large display is a 6.3 inch LCD display. It comes with a 3500 milliamp battery, enough to last you a whole day. If you're wondering how you can unlock this phone, it comes with a face unlock. Also, there's a fingerprint scanner at the back here, beautifully integrated into the beautiful glass back of this phone.